Before factories reached the sky. Before machines transformed civilizations. Before industry powered the modern world. There was risk. Every machine brought opportunity, but every machine also brought danger. Heat, sparks, chemicals, dust, moving equipment. Human progress has always demanded protection. Industrial coveralls were never created to impress. They were created because surviving the workplace became just as important as building it. Because productivity means little without safety, industrial coveralls are engineered to create a protective barrier between the worker and the environment. Every panel, every seam, every pocket, every fiber exists for a reason. Together they form a wearable system of protection. The science begins with materials. Heavy-duty cotton provides durability. Synthetic fibers improve strength and flexibility. Modern blends increase resistance to tearing, abrasion, and repeated washing. Specialized fabrics introduce entirely new levels of protection. Flame-resistant textiles reduce burn injuries. Chemical-resistant coatings shield against hazardous liquids. Anti-static fibers minimize the risk of electrical discharge. High-visibility materials improve safety where heavy equipment never stops moving. Every innovation solves a problem discovered through experience. Construction also matters. Reinforced stitching strengthens high-stress areas. Double-layer knees improve durability. Elastic panels increase mobility. Heavy-duty zippers and secure closures reduce exposure. Large utility pockets keep essential tools within reach. Nothing exists by accident. Everything serves a purpose. Historically, the first industrial coveralls emerged during the rapid expansion of manufacturing in the 19th century. Railroad workers, mechanics, boiler operators, factory employees, all required clothing that could withstand dirt, grease, and physical labor. Simple one-piece garments quickly proved more practical than separate jackets and trousers. As industry expanded, so did expectations. Protective clothing evolved alongside engineering itself. New hazards demanded new solutions. Textile technology responded. Modern industrial coveralls are tested against international safety standards for heat, flames, chemicals, electrical hazards, and mechanical wear. Many garments are certified for environments where failure is simply unacceptable. Psychologically, protection changes behavior. Workers who trust their equipment move with greater confidence. They focus on precision rather than fear. Good safety equipment reduces hesitation. It improves efficiency, and sometimes, it prevents a single mistake from becoming a lifelong injury. Across the world, industrial coveralls have become standard equipment for mechanics, welders, electricians, laboratory technicians, oil and gas workers, miners, emergency responders, maintenance crews, and countless industrial professionals. Different industries demand different protection, but the purpose remains identical. Safety, reliability, performance. Modern workwear continues to evolve. Lighter fabrics reduce fatigue. Stretch materials increase mobility. Smart textiles may soon monitor body temperature, fatigue, exposure to hazardous gases, and worker health in real time. The future of protective clothing is becoming intelligent. Yet beneath every technological advancement, the original mission remains unchanged. Protect the person inside. Industrial coveralls quietly represent one of humanity's greatest engineering priorities. Not building machines, but protecting the people who build them. Every stitch reflects experience. Every improvement reflects lessons learned. Every layer represents the value of human life. The greatest technologies are often invisible, because when protection works perfectly, nothing happens. And sometimes, that is the greatest achievement of all.